At Specialized ECU Repair, we've worked tirelessly to redesign and resolve the most persistent issues found in the Porsche and BMW Motronic 3.1 engine control units. In this video, we'll show you why our product is the best solution on the market for your classic car's electronic needs. The original Bosch ML3.1 units, designed in the early 1980s, are notorious for problems like cold solder joints, failures of critical electronic components, and, in Porsche models, water damage caused by their vulnerable placement in the vehicle. To address these issues, we didn't just repair the original design, we completely re-engineered it. Our redesigned circuit board eliminates all the common faults of the original Bosch unit. By using surface-mounted components and modern, more robust electronic parts, we've ensured that our units are significantly more dependable and reliable than the original counterpart. We also understand the needs of performance enthusiasts. Many of our customers invest in high-performance chips to push their vehicles to the limit. That's why our units are fully compatible and ready to accept modified software, ensuring your car maintains its peak performance. Our commitment to quality doesn't stop at the internal components. We've gone the extra mile to manufacture our own proprietary connector, ensuring a seamless connection and durability. Additionally, we've crafted brand new stamped upper and lower casings, giving you a 100% new product that's as visually stunning as it is functional. To top it off, all our new units come with the market's best 5-year warranty, giving you unparalleled peace of mind. Unlike other options on the market, no core return is required, saving you time and the hassle of logistics. Our redesigned ML 3.1 units are tailored to a wide range of classic Porsche and BMW models. On the Porsche side, we support the 911 Carrera, 944, 924S, and 944 Turbo models. For BMW enthusiasts, we've got you covered with units for the E30 M3, E24 M6, 635 CSI, E28 M5, and 528 models. Whatever your classic car needs, we have the solution. Purchasing from us is simple and straightforward. You can buy your unit outright on our website at ecudoctors.com. There's no waiting for an exchange or refund for a core. Your new unit ships immediately. If you have questions or need guidance, our knowledgeable sales team is ready to assist you by phone. Don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Porsche electronic solutions.